How to fix common accessibility issues in Microsoft Word 2013 documents. Font size and style. Choose a sans serif font that is at least 12 points or higher. Arial, Calibri, Franklin Gothic, and Verdana are all good choices. To change the font size and style, you can simply select the text and use the font chooser on the toolbar. Or, to set the default font, open the Font dialog box, choose the desired font, style, and size, then click Set as Default. Choose All Documents based on the normal template and click OK. Applying styles. Word styles provide a simple mechanism for structuring, formatting, and maintaining documents. Word includes many built-in styles, including 9 default heading styles. Heading styles should be used in logical order. Don't skip heading levels. To apply a style, select the desired text and choose the appropriate style from the Styles gallery. Viewing the navigation pane. Once you've applied heading styles to your document, you can view the resulting structure in the navigation pane. To view the navigation pane, click the View menu, and then click the Navigation Pane checkbox in the Show section of the ribbon. The navigation pane appears on the left side of your screen. Create a table of contents. This document structure can also be used to create a table of contents for your document. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, click the References menu, and click the Table of Contents button on the ribbon. Choose the desired table of contents format. Blank space. Sometimes authors create white space in documents by adding multiple blank paragraphs or spaces. To reveal these repeated blank spaces, click the Show Hide Paragraph Marks button in the Paragraph group on the ribbon. These repeated blank characters may cause confusion for individuals using screen readers. To add white space to a document without compromising accessibility, use the built-in line spacing, paragraph spacing, and page break features. Click anywhere in your paragraph, and then click the Page Layout menu. From the Paragraph section on the ribbon, you can adjust the spacing before and spacing after options to adjust your paragraph up or down as desired. The same can be done to indent or insert page breaks without resorting to repeated blank spaces. Images. Any images or graphics that have meaningful content should be aligned in such a way that they flow with the text. They should also include alternative text or alt text so that an individual using a screen reader can understand the content of the graphic. To align an image with the text, click the image, click the Layout Options icon, and choose Inline with Text. To add alt text to an image, right-click the image and choose Format Picture. Click the Layout and Properties icon and choose Alt Text. Add meaningful text to the description field. This text will be read to an individual using adaptive technology. Tables. Tables can be an effective means of presenting information. To ensure accessibility, use a simple table structure with a uniform number of rows and columns. Tables also require a header row, and just like images, they require alt text. To identify the header row of a table, right-click the first cell of the table and choose Table Properties. Click the Row tab. Uncheck the Allow Row to Break Across Pages box and check the Repeat as Header row at the top of each page box. To add alt text to a table, right-click the table and select Table Properties. Select the Alt Text tab and enter a description of the table contents in the description field. Hyperlinks. Whenever a hyperlink is used in a document, it should be displayed as descriptive text and not as a URL. It's generally good practice to use the name of the site to which you're linking in order to avoid confusion. To edit a hyperlink, right-click it and choose Edit Hyperlink. Change the Text to Display field to a description of the link destination. Verify that the URL field contains a properly formatted and valid URL, and click OK. Using the Accessibility Checker. To open the Accessibility Checker, select the File tab and choose Info. Click Check for Issues and then choose Check Accessibility. Inspection results are displayed in the Accessibility Checker task pane on the right. Select a specific issue to see additional information and recommendations on how to fix it. Once all issues have been addressed, you'll see a green check mark and the words "No accessibility issues found." For more information, visit the Accessible Information and Communications Technology Toolkit on answers.syr.edu.